Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Life, and in today's film we're starting off just by the Lighthouse beach and we're going through Kato Paphos. Okay, so here's the map of the whole area, and we're looping around past the Elysium to the Kings Avenue Mall first of all. Then we're going down to everyone's favourite Sea Front and the Harbour area, and from there we'll be driving along Poseidonos Avenue and finishing at the Avanti Hotel. And the reason we're finishing at the Avanti Hotel is because in the past I've been neglecting it. When I've done my seafront definitive guide and ever drives down the hotel strip, I have not included the Avanti Hotel, and that's not a deliberate error. It's just that it's not actually on the route, so to speak. It just clips the edge of it. You'll see what I mean at the end of this film. So anyway, apologies today, man. In future hotel strip films I'll be sure to include you. Right now though, we're going past the Elysium Hotel there, which is very nice in there. And we'll be coming up to the main Tomb of the Kings Road any minute. Just before you get to Tomb of the Kings Road, on the left is a Duomo pizza restaurant. I haven't been there for, there it is there. I haven't been there for a few years because I don't eat that much pizza here, to be honest. But the food there is very nice, and they don't just do pizza. So if you fancy a treat, check them out. There are quite a few restaurants and bars here. I won't name them all because, well, there are quite a few of them. But it's a popular area. So now we're heading down Kings Avenue Mall. There's a new bus station on the left. There's a T for 2. And remember, if you like our content, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, as it really does help YouTube promote us. And if you want to help us financially, then go to our pafoslife.com/coffee page, and you can either send us coffee or click on one of the affiliate links. There's a new building going up on the right there. Wonder if that will be residential or commercial property. And I filmed this on Saturday morning, so the traffic is fairly light. Weather-wise, there had been a hint of rain up in Polemi, but it's a little bit cloudy in parts of Paphos, but it was still very, very warm, has to be said. The mall, Kings Avenue Mall rather, is on the left now, and we're just coming up to Kings Avenue Mall roundabout. And if you look at the roundabout from the coffee shop on the top floor of the mall, or of the Paphos walkway we're just going past, you may think that it looks a bit like a map, and that's because it's supposed to be. It's not a sort of like strictly accurate map, but it's supposed to represent Paphos region. On the right now you've got the archaeological park, and on the left you've got Fabrica Hill and the various catacombs below it. To get to the walkway that goes over the road here that we just saw, you need to go down this road here on your right, and it'll take you to the entrance. And on the left there is that famous tree that people tie rags to and say little prayers for, and there's a little tomb stroke chapel stroke catacomb below it as well. And if you go left there, you come to St. Paul's Pillar. Actually, it's not here. It's here. So I was a bit before myself there. But we're destined, first of all, to the seafront. And straight across the roundabout we go. And we'll do a little loop around the roundabout just up here and come back on ourselves. There are a few people about, but as I said, it's fairly early on a Saturday morning. I'll pick up by the lunchtime. There's the archaeological park and the harbour bus station. And all this car park here, which is free, I should add. And back on the seafront. And next at the roundabout we'll be turning right, take us past Papantonio's supermarket. It all looks a lot nicer up here now. I mean, they've got to do something, I don't know what they're doing in that bit just to the left we just passed, but fairly soon they're going to run out of things to renovate. It should be quite an achievement. Then perhaps they'll tackle Bar Street and the old Lineker's area. Notice that going straight on up that hill now is now one way, but this is all two-way now. And it's coming on because down here is all complete now, apart from the water feature. So progress is definitely being made here. Go past Pinguino's on the left. It's a favourite place of ours. And you can see bulldozers still out in force, though not having quite the effect on traffic as they did a few days ago. That chap threw me. He was delivering fruit in a little trolley, and I thought he was going to cross on the zebra crossing, but he wasn't waiting for that. And after the renovation work, you come on to the hotel strip, well, the first part of it. So you got the Almayer on the right. Oh, and before the Almayer, just to be fair, would have been the Annabelle. And after the Almayer, you'll get the Alexander the Great. All these cyclists wanting to go across the road. There is a cycle lane there, I should add. They're not just being awkward. I do need to do a more in-depth film of this area because I haven't really covered it much. There's more here than you'd think. Next hotel up is the Avanti Hotel, designed for adults. Actually, it's not designed for adults, it's designed for couples. You can only go there as a couple. And on the left here, you have the abandoned Alo Hotel, which is allegedly going to be built on. They're going to have another tower built there. I'm not sure what's happening about that though. And on the right here, you have SODAP Beach and the Antasia Beach Bar. I will be doing films of the various beaches throughout Paphos. I've done Euroscope Beach, and I've going to be making my way round. It's a little bit too hot for filming, to be honest. You've got Amphora Resort on the right now. I'm not going to do the entire hotel strip in this film, by the way. I'm ending at the Avanti Hotel. But anyway, the reason I missed the Avanti Hotel, normally, in the past, has been because we go up this triangle if we're going this route. And if we're coming the other route, we ignore the triangle and we just go straight on past. But because we're going this way, we're going up the triangle and then we're turning right. And that misses out on the entrance to the Avanti Hotel. So normally you would go there, but this time we're going to go straight on up to the roundabout at the top and then come back on ourselves, because the entrance to the Avanti Hotel is just there. So that's why I've been missing it out, because I don't actually drive past the entrance, so it's off my radar. But I will mention it in future versions. Because by all accounts, it's a lovely place. There's a holiday village they have there as well as the hotel. They shut for COVID, and I think they fell off my radar just around about then, because I noticed which ones opened, and I think they were doing some renovation at the same time, so they opened a bit later. But they're all back in business now. So we're going to go round the roundabout. And just for clarity, if you turn right here, i.e. went down there, that's a convenient way of getting to the airport. But in this film, we're doubling back on ourselves, and we'll be ending at the Avanti Hotel. Directly ahead of us, though, before we get there, you can just see a hotel in the distance. That's the Olympic Lagoon Resort. I won't miss them out, seeing as we can see them. Now, if we've missed out a hotel that was one of your favourites on our definitive guides, please let us know and we can add them on the next one. It's nothing personal. We don't hate them or anything. It's just that we don't necessarily notice everything. But here we are, finally at the Avanti Hotel itself. And there's a holiday village here, which is also very popular. So we'll go around the roundabout and we'll say goodbye, I think, and say thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next film. Take care.